plus inner product of x comma y. Inner product of x comma y whole conjugate means you can write this as inner product of y comma x divided by, here you have norm y square, this is nothing but norm y square. So you can cancel this with this, you will get norm y square. So this is plus and this is minus, these two gets cancelled now, right? So you will get norm x plus alpha y whole square is equal to norm x square minus inner product of x comma y whole bar into inner product of x comma y by norm y square. So since alpha and y is not equal to 0, you will get this term as greater than or equal to 0. So norm x plus alpha y whole square will be greater than or equal to 0. Now you can write this as norm x square minus inner product of x comma y whole bar into inner product of x comma y whole divided by norm y square is greater than or equal to 0. So this is nothing but norm x square is greater than or equal to inner product of x comma y whole bar into inner product of x comma y by norm y square. So this is nothing but norm x square into norm y square. I am just multiplying this term to my LHS, will be greater than or equal to modulus of inner product of x comma y whole square. So this is nothing but modulus of inner product of x comma y is less than or equal to norm x into norm y. So this is my Cauchy's squares inequality. Cauchy squares inequality. The next theorem is parallelogram law. So the statement is x comma y, let x comma y belongs to H, then you have to prove norm x plus y whole square plus norm x minus y whole square is equal to 2 times of norm x square plus 2 times of norm y square. This is the statement of your parallelogram law. So again I will consider LHS part and I will prove the RHS. Okay. So norm x plus y whole square minus plus norm x minus y whole square means you can write this as inner product of x plus y comma inner product of x plus y comma x plus y plus inner product of x minus y comma x minus y. So here you will get 4 terms, here you will get 4 terms. So this is nothing but x comma x plus y plus inner product of y comma x plus y plus inner product of x comma x minus y minus inner product of y comma x minus y. This will be equal to inner product of x comma x plus x comma y plus y comma x plus y comma y plus inner product of x comma x minus inner product of x comma y minus inner product of y comma x. This is minus into minus, you will get plus inner product of y comma y. So here you have minus inner product of x comma y, here it is plus, so these two gets cancelled. Here you have inner product of y comma x, here it is minus inner product of y comma x, these two gets cancelled. So from this and this you will get 2 times of norm x square, from this and this you will get 2 times of norm y square. Okay, so inner product of x plus y whole square plus norm of x plus y whole square plus norm of x minus y whole square is equal to 2 times of norm x square plus 2 times of norm y square. This is my RHS. I will continue some more theorems in the next session. Thank you.